weekend, I went on an adventure to our local Home Depot. I got a bunch of really great Bareroot fruits, one of which is a nice hearty kiwi that came out around $10.98 plus tax and everything like that. But really excited to unbox this and show you if it's something that's worth looking or getting at your local Home Depot. Now, what I love about Bareroots is they're usually going to come out a lot cheaper than a bush or a tree, and they're going to be just as great. You're usually just starting from a smaller cutting, and it might take a little bit longer to actually get going, so you're gonna have to use that, but you're gonna save a lot of money on Bareroot fruits. Now, this variety here is a nice hearty kiwi for zones 4 to 8. It's gonna require full sun, and it's gonna grow 20 to 25 feet, and you should be spacing them around 8 feet apart. Now, let's get inside and see what this actually looks like. So it came inside of this little baggie that you couldn't see anything inside, and in here there was just a tiny little kiwi. Now I went ahead and actually planted this little guy, and you can see it is still quite small. This is 1 week following purchasing this and planting it in a nice big pot. So it is still a little cold outside, so I didn't want to put it in the ground yet until after our first frost. But you can see that this kiwi is quite sad looking. First off, the bag was quite deceiving because it was pretty big. So I thought it was going to be a nice large size kiwi, but in essence, it was only a few inches tall. And there is not that great of leaf quality on here. Now, I could definitely share some love with this and get it going up, but definitely just not that excited with what was in here. Not a huge root ball. I mean, it is a very small bare fruit. For the price, around $11. We'll see what comes with it. You can usually, if you keep their original wrapping and the receipt, usually there is a 1-year guarantee on any plants at Home Depot, so definitely keep everything when you're purchasing any of those items. But I have a lot of hope for this little guy. We will share the journey as I keep this, and I also have a lot of other bare fruits. If this is something that interests you, seeing what's inside of some of these boxes or bags at Home Depot so that you know before you purchase, and then please comment down below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!